Yay! Yay! Hot day at Meineke. 200,000 mile. What year is this thing? 2004. 5.4. Yeah, baby. It's had intake gaskets leaking for quite some time. Ryan's gonna suck. Hey, look at that! There's a light bulb down there in that valley.
That's still good. No way.
Let me get a closer look. Yeah, baby. That's some work up in there. Sheesh. So not uncommon for the lifter valley to be full of antifreeze from intake manifold. Ryan's going to clean all this up, make it look as good as possible, and then we're going to put this thing back together. Yeah, she's seen better days.
Good. How about that?
I got myself into a Buick Enclave AC compressor and condenser. I wish they would build cars easier, but then everyone would do this, right? So I got the condenser out. See that stain right here, ready? And the infamous line to the condenser was hidden behind here, had a little bit of leakage on that. Compressor's not coming on. So I'm getting ready to tear into this on this hot day. Yeah, man. What are you guys up to? Sweating it out in the shop? Stay cool.